Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the color theme of the PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So let's get started. So first thing, just open the PDF of your choice, and to the leftmost top you will be having menu. Click it. Here we are having preferences. Here just click on accessibility. Make sure that you are checking this replace document colors. Here we are having the page background as well as the document text. So just click on this and we can have the page background as any of these colors, or if you want to create your own color, select more colors and you can just get a precise one also. So I will close it, and for this I will just go with the black color. Next, for document text, same procedure, select it and choose any of these and make sure that the page color and the document text are different. Okay, after that just click on OK. As you can see, the color has changed. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.